Welcome to Easy Investing Strategies educational series on how to use a stock screener. So if you can see right now, we are at the Google page. Let's go to finance.yahoo.com, and as we see Yahoo Finance load up, you'll see menus along the top. Go over to the investing menu and go down to the stocks section. Click on stocks. Now the page you see come up will have on the left side a stock screener and stock alerts category. Click on the stock screener and this will bring up a page which allows you to either launch a Java enabled stock screener tool or an HTML one. Choose the Java one, as that one will be the most, it will allow you to use the most advanced features. So click on that, and as you can see, it's enabling Java on your system, loading it up. And in a second here we'll see a dialog that says, do you want to allow access? And say yes. Click on that and you should start to see the actual Java application come up in a few seconds here. You can move this Yahoo window out of the way, but you have to keep that open at all times. Okay, so now you see the stock screener tool come up. Let's make this a little bit bigger so we can see it. Now today's example, we will do a stock screen for high dividend stocks. So go up here under the criteria section, and as you can go down you see all the various categories. Select on dividends, go over and select dividend yield. So let's look for high dividend stocks. So that means we want the greater than or equal, and let's say we're looking for stocks greater than 5%. In today's market, that's pretty good. Savings accounts, you'll typically get 1% or less. So we're going to look for 5 times the rate of return on typical savings accounts. Okay, now let's go one step further and let's actually look at the balance sheet and say we want to only look for companies that have basically zero debt. So they are not owing any money to the banks. They don't have a lot of liabilities on their balance sheet. So let's select less than and equal to $0 of debt. Enter. Now here you can select how many screen matches you want to return. Let's return the first 25 and run the screen. What you see down here is that you should see your first 25 or so selections. We'll drop this down. If you go over to the right side, you can click on the yield tag and it'll sort by yield. At the top we see Williams Coal C actually has a 23.9% dividend. It's pretty good, but you have to be careful. You need to do further research, make sure this is actually a good financial company to invest in. There you have it. Easy Investing Strategies knowledge series on how to use a stock screener. Visit us today at easyinvestingstrategies.com.